Here we have a Ford Edge with emergency lighting and sirens installed. In the front are Moss 209s embedded in the grille. On the front windshield are a pair of Moss 81s. Around the back we installed a Moss 9800 6 in red blue. Inside we have a Whalen horn controller. This also activates and deactivates the emergency lights.
If you're looking to accessorize your vehicle, come to Move It On Sounds and Security, and we'll get the accessories your vehicle needs.